So we started doing this in part one. My daughter has asked me to kind of like continue that, so that's what we are going. Here we go for part two, and we put the white piece on here, as you can see, and I'm using the book to guide me. So the book is very useful. It will tell you exactly what you need and what pieces. You just need to look at them and then look at the other pieces of paper on your right, and you will see where it needs to go. So this is very simple. My daughter found it quite hard to put like some pieces on, and it is a bit kind of tricky, I think, for her. So this is why I ended up finishing it for her. The slide that she really likes, and the reason that we got it because she's got a slide. Now the little person, we still can't get the head on it. I'm not sure what to do about that. I'm going to see whether possibly we can get some super glue to put that on. So we'll see. But we definitely have like a finish this, and you will see how it's all done. I tried my best to get it done to what the picture was saying, which is quite easy if you follow along. So we just put in the centerpiece on here, and this is where like the princess, well, the mermaid will go, and a bit later on. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. And have you got this set? And if so, did you do it as a mum or dad, or did your daughter say do it? Let me know in the comments. as you can see, this is nearly finished now. We've only got a few more things to do. And I had some trouble putting some bits of this together, but I think I'm getting the hang of it now. So I'm looking forward to doing the second set very soon. And yeah, so let me know in the comments whether you have enjoyed this video. What do you think of the music? Do you like the voiceover? Just let me know, so that when I come to do the next video, I'll be able to do what you, the viewer, would like. Because if I don't know, then I can't do it. I can only assume that you might like it. A bit of voiceover, a bit of music, and that. Sometimes I do enjoy watching tutorial videos, and other times I like watching kind of like videos where they've got a bit of music, they've got a bit of, you know, person talking in the background. And then was it the first video, it was my daughter and like myself, and so no, what was it like, let me know what you like, and then I can, as I do it. Like my daughter wanted me to finish this because we'd done it on a Saturday when we came home from Legoland, and then we stopped, and then we didn't do it for like ages. And if things don't get done, like she's ADHD, so you know her attention span is very low, and I'm dyslexic, and so that means that I kind of forget things and stuff like that. So anyway, we got there in the end. This video will be out, and hopefully you will have enjoyed it. And yeah, this piece of shell here, I had the wrong way around for ages, and then I realised, oh, it actually needs to be turned the other way, because I couldn't get the the red bit in, but I did manage it all in the end, so that was good. Like I said, the kind of like Lego things is very, very new to me. I basically, even when I was little, I didn't play that much with Lego, just like the old bricks and that like you used to make. This type of like Lego is so different, but it is very, very fun. So, you know, I'm definitely going to be doing more of say Disney Lego with my daughter. I think it's for her to do as well, and to encourage her. So anyway, thanks for watching. And here's the end product. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.